How to do the Ask Me Anything trend on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually do the Ask Me Anything trend on the Snapchat app. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can type in Snapchat and then go ahead and simply update the application first. After you have updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So what you can do is here, after you're on this page, you want to simply tap on your emoji icon. As you tap on this emoji icon and go to the Snaps filter page, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you want to simply tap on this explore button. So once you tap on explore button, you'll be taken to this page right over here where you have the option to actually customize many things. Now what you can do is, in the search box, you want to simply type in Ask Me Anything, but you want to make sure that it is actually Ask Me Anything, and then you can also type in Ravi Rao, Ravirao. Then you can hit enter. Then you want to scroll and find that filter. I'm going to show you which the filter is. You can see this one right over here. This is the Ask Me Anything which we actually want to use. So go ahead and make sure you select this one right over here, tap on it, and as you do that, you would actually be able to see the Ask Me Anything person right over. If you want, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can go ahead and use it. You can go ahead and simply record it as well. If you want, you can simply hit a small enter or simply take a small snap. If you want to add music, you can simply tap on the music icon on the top right and then go ahead and do many more basic things. This was the way on how you can actually do or carry out the Ask Me Anything trend on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.